Hi, I'm Faye, and today we're going to learn how to draw one-point perspective. I'm going to start by drawing a horizon line. And in one-point perspective, your vanishing point is also your point of view, and there only happens to be one vanishing point, which is why it's called one-point perspective. So I'm going to start by drawing a simple shape, which is a square. And next I'm going to take each corner of the square and draw a line that goes right into the vanishing point. Now I can find the ends of the cube, which will be slightly shorter in length than the original, so that it has the illusion of going back into space. Next, I'm going to work on a letter, which is slightly more complicated. So we're going to choose the letter J because it has straight lines as well as curves. So after I draw my letter, I'm going to find each corner and bring that to the vanishing point. Next, I'm going to find the end of the J to give it the illusion that it's going back into space. In terms of the curve, you sort of have to make your best guess, but it's going to be the same curve but slightly smaller. So you can try this technique with all kinds of shapes, and here we have a star and a cylinder. So a classic example of one-point perspective is the room. So you can kind of see that your vanishing point is right in the middle of the room, and you can tell when you can see the edges of the floor and the edges of the ceiling all converging to one point. With one-point perspective, once you know sort of the technique and you can find the vanishing point, you'll be able to see one-point perspective everywhere you go. So for example, when you're standing right on the train tracks and the train tracks converge and disappear into the distance, even in the studio with this bucket of pencils when you're looking directly above it. Well, that wraps up our video on one-point perspective. If you have any questions, please share it in the comments below. We also have a video on two-point perspective. You can click here and here for three-point perspective. Thanks again for watching.